automatically activated to warn the
Beach 5.
for the Florida Panhandle, Southeast Alabama, Southwest, and South Central Georgia. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and
Come on, Twinkie.
when there is a report of
What?
severe weather in the area on Wednesday. The test is postponed. Available non-severe or non-visitor day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given
What
location.
happened to alert off?
To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting the Florida Panhandle, Southeast Alabama, Southwest, and South Central Georgia. This concludes the weekly test of the NOAA radio warning alarm and the emergency alert system for the Florida Panhandle area serviced by the Tallahassee Weather Forecast Office. Georgia. This concludes the weekly test of the NOAA radio warning alarm and the emergency alert system for the entire county warning area NOAA weather radio station
Oh, the 204.
in Tallahassee, Florida, operating 24 hours a day on a frequency of 162.40 megahertz. This broadcast originates from your National Weather Service Office. The latest weather and forecast information can also be accessed by calling our automated
What the? Where's the 2? Oh man, the 259 didn't go off.
11:32 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. These are the
Okay. The little Nance is here. The 2004-261 went off for a test. The Eton FR800 activated for a test. Midland 74-200 activated for WNG633's test. Version 3 activated for a test. Black EAR10 activated for a test. 249 activated for a 2 TV watch. Recom activated for a 6-hour test. Version 2 went off for a test. WR300 went off for a 3-hour test. 67 went off for a test. 521 went off for a test. 120 went off for a test. Version 5, white EAR10 did not go off for the test. Typical. Emerson CQW2000 went off for a test. Surprisingly, the Radio Shack told us 249, wherever it is, didn't go off for the test. Where is it anyway? Oh well, and that was the required weekly test.